Hello guys, we are from Xilir Technologies. Today we are going to demonstrate project named Tomato Harvesting System using Raspberry Pi. In this project we are using image processing, robotic arm to cut tomatoes.
Let's begin.
Project Tomato Harvesting Robot. So see the output from the camera on this Raspberry Pi window. Okay, we are using Raspberry Pi here. So if I put here this tomato, you can see it is detecting tomato 100%. Okay. So what this robot does is it will go and pick the tomato and will keep here. So that's objective of this robot. And we are using pick and place robot mechanism here. It is for cutting, here for lifting, and this is for rotating. And this is camera with one motor for detecting the tomato. Okay, and we are using Raspberry Pi here with LCD 20x4 to show the output and display, and the speaker will say tomato detected. Okay, you can change the voice as required. And Arduino we are using here for basic operation of this servo motor. And so let's start this project. For that we have to turn on these switches, this one, and on LCD you can see. Okay, so from Bluetooth app we are sending character A, so this robot will start. Okay. Okay, now we have to show camera the tomato. Okay, so it will cut and it will be dropped here, and after this mechanism it will go to the next tomato, and then again it will wait for the tomato. Now trigger.
Hello everyone, we are from Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.